Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. In today's Qigong practice, we're going to focus on improve our balance. Now let's get started. Find an even ground to stand. Feel free to back yourself up to a wall, or you have something you can grab onto when needed. All right, now let's begin. Feet are hip width. Start to swing the arms side to side. Gently warm up the spine. Movements through the shoulder joints, thoracic spine, low back. And have the hands land on the bottom of the torso, on the pelvic bone, and on the tailbone, the back. Move the hands slightly up to the lower dantian, that is about 4 fingers down from your navel. Keep moving up to the navel, and on the other side of the navel is the door of life, the Mingmen point, very powerful point in the body. Continue, move along to the sternum. Now we have the middle dantian. The hands on the back, you can have it go as high as you can, or just have it cross the low back. That feels good anyway. When the knees are bent each time, remember to aim the knees towards the second toes. That helps to line up the knee joints with the ankles to protect those precious knee joints. And now hands over the shoulders. Give yourself a gentle pat over the shoulder. Begin to move the hands downward. Cupping and knocking breaks any stagnation. Help the qi to flow better. Bring the hands to your sides and come back to center. Once again, root through the left standing foot. Hands on your waist. Place the right ankle over the shin. This is the rooster. Keep the core engaged. 3 things to keep in mind for balancing. That's the foundation, core lock, and an unmoving focal point. You might even flop the wings. Keep the standing legs super strong. Release. Very good. Step the feet. Walk your feet out. Now root through the right standing foot. Bring the left foot over the shin. If needed, you can lower the foot down, maybe have the toes come to the right side of the standing foot. Or move it up underneath the knee joint. Flap the wings. Smile. I notice while I'm trying to lengthen the hip crease, the legs get slightly longer, building more strength in the legs. Now lower down. Very good. Walk your feet out. Bring the knees higher. Feel the hip joints. So now we're going to do a spinal cord breathing while resting our hip crease. Inhale, rise, arms open, chest open, breathe in, and then breathe out, round into the spine. Draw the elbows closer. Aim the knees towards the second toes. Now rise up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, rise. Exhale, round into it. 3 more. Fresh energy comes into the chest. Then pumping chi through the spine. Last 2. Last 1. Lower the arms down. Step the feet wider to a horse stance. Knees are slightly bent. Make a loose fist, or you're going to drum the qua. Qua in Chinese, it's this middle part, the hip section. It means leg gate. And then we're also going to bring the fist to the hip points. So fist in the crease and go to the back. Very good. Come back to center. Next movement might be a little challenging. Make sure you have a wall behind you. Bring the back of the hands to touch in front of the chest as you lift the right leg up. Knees are bent. And extend the arms up. Spread the feathers. Extend the legs straight. Or you can still keep it bent. Lower the legs down. Second side. This is the crane, the bird. Alternating the legs, repeat twice more. Lift the leg forward. Hold your balance. And lower the foot. Switch sides. One more on each side. Very good. Lower down. Come back to center. Roll the shoulders up and back. And then bring hands to heart center. Gaze at your fingertips. Connect to the present moment. Feeling grateful to be alive. Feeling grateful to be able to move. Thank you, friends, for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. It was easy or it was challenging. Leave me a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself. Goodbye.